Welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're feeling anxious about money, or if you often find yourself saying things like there's never enough money, then this video is for you. Today we're going to talk about healing your relationship with money through a spiritual lens, shifting your fear and scarcity into trust and divine abundance. So this is about more than finances. It's about energy, alignment, and rewriting the story you carry about your worth and what you're allowed to receive. So let's breathe into this together. A scarcity mindset is a deeply ingrained belief that there's not enough, whether it's money, time, love, or opportunity. It's rooted in fear, and it says things like, if I let go of this, I won't get it back, or I don't deserve more, or there's only so much to go around. So for many of us, this wound is inherited. Maybe you witnessed stress and survival growing up. Maybe you felt unworthy or supported by the world. Well, these beliefs get stored in the body, the nervous system, and even the soul. But here's the sacred truth. You were never meant to live in lack. Your nature is abundance, and that healing starts within. When we carry a scarcity mindset, we live in contraction. It makes us feel small. It blocks us from receiving not just money, but life force. You may notice it as, let's say, a tightness in your chest when spending money, or saying no to joy because of fear, or feeling disconnected from your purpose. Or you may even stay in a job, a relationship, or a routine that dims your light. Scarcity whispers you're not supported. But the universe is always whispering something else. You are held. You are guided. You are enough. So let's talk about the healing path, the path back to abundance, which is your divine inheritance. So here are 4 sacred practices to begin healing your scarcity mindset. Number 1, sacred awareness. So begin with stillness. When a fear-based thought around money arises, pause, breathe, say, I see you, I honor you, but you are not the truth. Number 2, affirm divine truth. So speak new truths into your life. Try affirmations like, I am open to receiving, or money flows to me as a reflection of divine energy, or something like, I am safe and supported. Number 3 is honor the flow. Now, money is energy and it's meant to circulate. So practice conscious giving and receiving. Spend mindfully on what brings you joy or nourishment. So pay your bills with gratitude and trust that what you give returns multiplied. The 4th is align with the abundance vibration. So tune into what abundance feels like, which is peaceful, grounded, and expansive. Meditate on this vibration. Visualize yourself already living in alignment with your values and desires. Now, I want you to remember that healing your money mindset is a spiritual journey. It's not about forcing positivity or chasing wealth. It's about coming home to the truth that you are already enough, that the universe is abundant by nature, that you are not here to struggle. You are here to expand, to create, and to thrive. So let yourself trust, let yourself receive. Now, if this message resonated with your heart, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Until next time, stay magical and may the wealth flow to you.